we've got the keyboard placed under the Pianocorder, and the Yamaha keyboard is slightly smaller, so the keys, as you can see, don't line up just perfectly at each end. They line up nicely in the middle, and then the keyboard is slightly smaller than a regular key apparently. So we're going to try it anyway. It's just barely touching, and we've got it plugged in, and the MP3 player needs to be plugged in. All right. We're now running a test music file that is checking each key, and as of course you can see, the lower keys were missing because the keyboard is slightly smaller than a standard piano. But other than that, each solenoid is working correctly. Okay, that's one test. Alright, now that we've got the Yamaha keyboard slid underneath the Pianocorder, a couple of issues that we're dealing with initially. We've got to do some more setup, but one of the things that you're hearing is the loud clicking sound that the key solenoids are slapping the keys pretty hard. And this particular keyboard doesn't have weighted keys, and they are plastic keys, hollow. So they're slapping down real hard instead of onto a wooden key with a piece of felt in the base of the key. So a real keyboard, I don't think you would have this problem, a real piano. But in any case, you can see that it's playing correctly. So other than the alignment issues, so that the very high notes and the very low notes are not playing just right, we'll continue to work at this, and as you can see on this video, the playing condition will improve as we tweak and adjust the height of the Pianocorder to the keys, and we've got a lot of felt replacements to do, which we're going to take care of that as well. The foot pedal is working, as you can see here, and the sustain pedal is working. So that's a feature of this. It also had a mute or soft pedal, a soft pedal, which we don't have hooked up because the MIDI files are not using the soft pedal functionality. And we're replacing some of the missing felt on some of these keys. Maybe that'll stop some of the clicking. You can see the missing felt on the key right there. Later in the video, I replaced all these felts that we replaced with the green felt. I replaced it with foam rubber, dense foam rubber, like that's currently on there from the factory. And that made a significant improvement on the key clicking. Oh, that sounds much better. And here you can hear one of the solenoids growling. It's because the black key solenoids are too close to the keys and they're pushing too hard, and it's growling just a little bit. Later we'll adjust the height of the pianocorder to the keyboard. So as we make a few more adjustments and corrections with the felt, we're making real progress, as you will see here. Well, there you go. This is the end of part 2. I hope you enjoyed the pianocorder playing on the Yamaha keyboard. In part 3, I'm going to play on a high quality keyboard. We'll see how that sounds.